Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clear your continue watching and watch history on Netflix. This is going to be a nice quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to the Netflix website, and we're going to be signing in, clicking the option on the top right. Once you've signed into the account, you want to select whichever user you want to start removing options from. Click into this, and then you're going to be met with this Netflix screen right here. From here, we're going to be coming up to our icon on the top right, and we're going to be coming down to the account option here. And then we're going to be brought to the account settings, where we're going to be able to see some extra information. Down at the bottom underneath my profile, we should see the option here on the top right called viewing activity. In this case, my language is in Dutch, but it should be in the exact same position. You should click into this, and then from here, we're going to see all viewing history. Now from here, you can really easily remove any of your viewing history by selecting the title you want to remove. Click on this little X option on the right hand side, and then this is going to be removed. You can really easily do this with a number of titles if you wish, and you can also see more options if you want to go down and see further into your search history. Anyway guys, it's that easy to remove history and watch later activity from your Netflix. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.